Okay, so we move on to task number 4, where we are dealing with mail merge. Okay, so you are required to carry out a mail merge. Okay, create a mail merge letter using the file J220 book as the master document and J220 tours as your data source file. So this is your letter file, and this is where your contacts are going to be. Okay, right. So let's open up the two files. Let's open up what is it? Let's open up book first. Let's go and open up book. Okay, so you can see over here when you open up this book file, you can see there are some contact details that need to be merged with this document, and those contact details need to appear in these spaces. Okay, so over here we have what they call shown us the spaces of where these details should appear. Okay, so we'll get started. Okay, at the bottom you can see a table also where the details should appear. Right, so the first thing that we do is it says so what we'll do is let's import this to a file which has all the contacts. Let's import this into Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go into Microsoft Word. Let's go into the mailings tab, and over here let's say select recipient, select the contacts. Okay, so over here we're going to say use an existing list. Okay, so we click on this, and then from here we have to locate where our list is. So our list is over here. Okay, the tours file, right? Okay, so the list is over here. I have selected it, tours file, and I say open. Now, as soon as I click on open, my computer is asking me whether you want to do a file conversion. So I'm just going to go with the Windows default, and I'm going to say OK. Right, we say OK, and now now the file has been imported into Microsoft Word. Okay, the file has now been successfully imported into Microsoft Word. Now over here, they have told me TTL, where that what you call TTL in the letter has to be replaced with the title field on the tours file. Okay, so it's very simple. You will simply come and carefully select TTL only. Okay, only select TTL. Okay, make sure you keep a space. And TTL, you're going to come and click on insert merge field, which is inside the mailings tab, and say I want the title to appear over there. Then click over here and say I'm using the keyboard. Last name, instead of this, I want the last name to appear there. So for address 1, what do we want? Address 1 should be street, address 2 should be town. So we carefully select address 1, okay? And we say street, carefully select address 2, and we say we want the town to be there. Okay, then for post, we want the postcode. So carefully select this, go back. We want the postcode to appear there. So over here, there is no merging fields. And over here, instead of holiday, what do we need? Instead of holiday, we need tour name. Okay, so over here, the tour name is going to appear. Insert merge field, tour name. Then over here, instead of location, what do we need? We need region. Then instead of length, we need distance. Then instead of size, we need people. Instead of leave, we need departure. Duration is duration. Duration is duration. And cost, what do we need? We need price PP. Price PP. Okay. Right. So we have put all the fields where they should appear. Right. Now what do we do next? So we have maintained everything. Replace the text candidate name with your name. Okay. So where do we have candidate name? So over here it should be my name over here. So I'm gonna my name over there. And it says enter your name, center number, and candidate number in the header of the document. Okay, so let's go. Let's double click on the top part, name, candidate number, and your center number. That's also done. Let's close the header and footer. It talks about printing it, so you can simply press Control P. Okay, select your printer and click on print. Okay, and the next thing it says is set an automated filter to select people who are booking for a duration of 4 or less. So we do not want all the contacts to be merged with this document. We only want contacts who have a booking of a duration of 4 or less. So what we need to do is we need to come into mailings, and we need to click over here, edit recipient list. And over here, we are going to apply a filter. So we're going to click on filter. And in filter, we are going to go to departure. The departure is over here. Okay. And it should be, what is our, this thing? It should be 4 or less. So less than or equal to. So less than or equal to 4. Okay. Departure is less than or equal to 4. So we say, okay. It says there is no data like that. Duration of 4 or less. That's what I did, right? Filter. We are looking for duration. Okay, less than or equal to 4, isn't it? Yeah, less than or equal 4. Departure. Where are we making a mistake? 4 or less. Let's try once more. Try again. Let's filter duration less than or equal 4. Okay, now it's working. Okay, for some reason. So we click on OK. So these are the people that we want to merge the letter with. I mean, these are the contacts that we want to merge with. Okay, 4 or less. Duration is 4 or less. And we click on OK. Right. So those have been filtered out now. Now, when do we produce it? So it says evidence to show how you use an automated filter. So we can come back here again. We can come to edit recipient list. We can take the filter and let's take a screenshot of this. Windows Shift S. And let's paste this screenshot. Where do we paste it? Under evidence 9. So let's come over here. Let's cancel all these now. Come to evidence 9 over here. And let's paste it over here. Now it goes on to say, merge and print the letters for the selected people only. Okay, so now we're going to merge it now. We're going to come into, wrong document. We're going to come into mailings and we're going to say finish and merge and we're going to print the documents. Okay, so we need to print all of them. We're going to say print records and we're going to click on OK. We're going to print all of them. Okay, right. With that done, we have come to the end of this. So you can save and close your document. Click on save. Thereafter, you can go ahead and close it. Okay, right. The next thing is it says you are now supposed to print the evidence document, task number 5. Okay, save and print your evidence document. So you can come over here, you can click on this. Once again, Control P. Okay, it's saving. It's quite a big file, a lot of images, will take some time. Press Control P and you can go ahead and print this document as well. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of task 4 and 5. The next video, we move on to our final task, which is number 6 with regard to presentation.